Hello, Cancer. This is August 2021 horoscope and tarot reading for you. So, Cancer, Sun, Moon, and Rising, with so much of focus in your second house. This could be a new boost of self worth, self value. You may be thinking about what you're worth of, or are you having the right connections, the income, the way you speak with your parents or your spouse could be very, very nice. Okay, there could be a lot of rapport right now with the second house and focus. There's a new moon that's happening on August 8th in your second house. So, that is again in Leo, will help you make new goals, new visions. Maybe if you're looking for partnerships, to partner with someone, or if you're looking to get married, or if you're looking to start a new income source, all these are very, very nice for you this month. And then the Venus is entering into Libra in your fourth house. So the fourth house is all about where your emotions lie, but Libra is kind of detached sign, okay, and Cancer is very much into attachment. So think you need to have, like, if you're overgiving to your spouse, if you're taking care of their needs, if you're nurturing them too much, your kids or your spouse, I think this would be a nice time to just relax with them and let them help you out, let them take care of you. You need to know that you need to cater to your emotional needs as much as you give to others. So you need to take a time to go for self-care and also to nurture yourself. And then Mars in Virgo is in your third house. So the whole month Mars is going to be in Virgo in your third house. So this could be like you could have a lot of energy to visit your cousins, relatives, your friends, your neighborhood. You could have a lot of community events. You can organize parties. You can even invite friends over to your home right now this time to just have a good time with these people in your life. And the full moon is in 22nd, is happening in your 8th house. So the 2nd and 8th house axis is all about shared resources. So if you have if you are attracting a client or your spouse needs money, there could be some kind of insurance dealings that you might have to take care. And if you're looking to have some, because the second house is about this physical aspect of life, so there could be a lot of sex for you this month if you're really into it. Okay, so it's overall kind of a serious month for you, Virgo. It's an Cancer, it's an okay month because planets are in Virgo in your third, and Libra in your fourth, and Leo in second. So without all the other major planets like Jupiter, Saturn, Pluto, they are all not going to change signs this month. That's why I'm not focused too much on this, because it's going to be there. Whatever happened in the last end of July is going to continue for August, because Jupiter is going to be in Aquarius for the next 4 months, and next Saturn is going to be in Aquarius retrograde, and all the Chiron, Uranus is going to retrograde this month. That is one thing that's going to have changed this month. But I think all the major planets are retrograde. So only these inner planets are going to have an ingress this month. So it's going to be okay, kind of. We are not going to see like massive changes or turbulence. Okay, it's going to be an okay month. Now I'm going to read the tarot for you. I'm using the Sun Moon Tarot deck here. There's reversals in this deck. I'm going to do a 9-card spread for you, and we'll see what kind of energy it's going to focus for you. I'm going to focus only on love this month, and if it's denoting with diverse child support or children or any other career, I'll read it too. Okay, so first main focus is going to be only on love. And this is reversals, and there is no reversals in this deck. I'm going to predict what kind of actions or decisions you may have to take in August for you. Okay, let's take a deep breath. Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising. Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising. The Empress, okay, is at the bottom of the deck, but I'm not taking it unless or until it's required. Okay, so let's see the 9 cards for you first. Eight of Cups in reverse. Wow. 8 of Cups in reverse for Cancer. The 7 of Wands in reverse. Okay. 3 of Wands in reverse. Okay. The Moon card, that is Cancer, you are in reverse. Attached to someone? Yeah, Ace of Cups. Okay, Cancer, I think you're attached to a new love or someone that came into your life last month. This could be even an emotional draining situation with someone you're already involved with. Yeah, the 9 of Swords in reverse. Wow. I think you do not see a future with this person. Maybe you're blocking this person or this person blocked you, but you're not able to walk away. Or you're trying to walk away. Yeah, the Princess of Wands is the Page of Wands in reverse. Yeah, you don't feel that fire anymore with this person. Or you feel like the Queen of Pentacles in reverse. Okay, this is one quote card I have. So Cancer, you could be dealing with a Capricorn. That is your opposite sign. And the Prince of Cups. Prince is the Knight of Cups. Wow, there's a little dolphin. Wow, this card looks beautiful for me. Yeah, with the crescent moon. Seems like kind of a chariot card, right? But beautiful. So this is a dolphin. Knight of Cups. Okay. So the Empress could be Taurus here. Okay, you could be dealing with the Taurus, Cancer. First sign is Taurus for me. Capricorn. And then Virgo. Okay, the thing is, you're emotionally attached to this person, or you're trying to move away from this person right now. Maybe you're trying to end our emotional arguments, but I strongly feel that you either go back to this person again at the end of August, or you're trying to. Empress is with whom? Empress is with the Fool card. Okay, wow, two majors at the back of the deck with the Ace of Swords, the Star card. Emperor, King of Pentacles. So the King to the Queen of Pentacles with the Star card. Okay. I think if you are trying to, especially if you are the ex-wife here, Cancerian woman, if you are the ex-wife, the Queen of Pentacles for me is the wife card for me. So I think if you are the ex-wife, you are emotionally attached to a person, to your husband, I think you're trying to go back, or you may go back this month. If you're a Cancerian man, your ex-wife may come back to you, or your ex-lover could be clinging to you for some reason. Let me see, because they may again pursue you. I think a strong pursual energy here, because you're not ready to move on. No, there's no moving on energy. This feels more like an emotional attachment of bond, or afraid of being alone, walking away, having a lot of thoughts about not being secured enough, or the security of home life, a family you have. They don't want to give up on it. Okay, let's clarify the Eight of Cups. Seven of Wands again. Yeah, I think this could be an on and off connection. When you approach them, they block you. When they approach you, you block them. This feels like a strong person that doesn't want to deal with situations right now. They don't want you to come back, I think. The Seven of Wands, Nine of Cups. Yeah, this feels like emotionally withdrawn, not reaching out, not talking. This could be even a selfish attitude where maybe this person is trying to block you because they want to be alone. They do not want to be in this mess again. The Three of Wands reversed. Chariot. Yeah, this feels like a strong indecision with you or this person. Maybe in the future, maybe you wanted to have some kind of connection with this person. But the thing is, the more they are forcing this decision on you, or they're forcing to come back or move out, is making you like a big transition phase, a big decision for you to make right now, which could be the issue this month for you. The Moon card, King of Cups. Yeah, Cancer, you showed up in your own reading. So Cancerian men, I think you're more in tune with your emotions, or you may have to get in touch with you may have to separate your emotion from logic. Okay, if you're feeling too much, you're connected with this person, or you're trying to take an emotional decision, and this person is trying to some people will come and directly pull your strings with emotions. I think that's the energy this month for you. The Ace of Cups in reverse. When the Ace is in reverse, it means that someone is Queen of Wands. Wow. So she could be crying, they could be acting overly emotional, overly clingy. The Queen of Wands for me is a seductress. This person could be talking, crying, or this person could be trying to emotionally manipulate you too. The Nine of Swords reversed. Four of Swords. Yeah, block this person. I think this could be a nightmarish situation where they always come back. No matter how much you tell them not to go, not to do this, or not to chase you, they do this. The Princess of Wands is in reverse. I told you, the Strength card. This is a Leo woman, someone who is very sexy, fiery, passionate, goes after what they want, but maybe that is what is off-putting for you. Maybe that is what is maybe you're not able to escape out of this situation. especially if it's your ex-wife. The Queen of Pentacles in reverse. Six of Swords. Yeah, move on. I think you were definitely, I think last month itself you were almost breaking up, or you almost decided not to give a chance with this person. I think you will have the courage to move on. But the Knight of Cups at the end of the reading, the Empress, I think your wife will come back again. I think, or if you're pregnant, if this person is pregnant here, okay, an ex-wife that's pregnant, a partner that's pregnant, and they're trying to keep you locked in with a pregnancy, they might still pull the strings this month for you. I very strongly feel for Cancer, men that is dealing with the Queen of Wands who is pregnant. The Ace of Wands, Ace of Cups reverse could also mean a pregnant woman that is either just gave birth to a child or is pregnant. I think this bond is more kind of an energy of someone trying to keep you locked in. Yeah, door to spirit. Oh wow. Okay. I think Cancer, you should keep your emotions out of the deck. Listen to your intuition, because Cancers are very intuitive. So if you know that this woman is trying to come back into your life to take advantage of your wealth, if you emotionally manipulate you with kids, or even with if it's an ex-wife that is trying to drain your money by telling that I need you because I want a family, or I want to be together with you, you may have to give up on that kind of an energy. One more on there is a lot of cards. One more card for Cancer. Any more advice that I can give them? Angel of Balance. Yeah, okay. I think definitely you need to balance out your emotions with logic, practicality. If you know this person is draining you, they are not giving you anything, you need to move on this month, okay? Now at the end of August. I hope you'll have a great August 2021. Have a nice month, Cancer.